Hello friends, welcome to Trending Tube. We have another IKEA product today, which is PEPPRIG, a foldable wash tub. This durable tub is perfect when you want to wash something by your hand or clean a mop. When you are done, you can simply press it to make it as a flat disc like shown here. This foldable wash tub is suitable for everything, like from washing your children's cloth to washing the underwear. The top can be quickly expanded and folded as well. So this is very travel friendly. You can scrub your laundry gently on the grooved bottom for the effective cleaning. Thanks to the foldable design, the WashTub takes up very little space and it's easy to store in your kitchen and or utility area. And despite its collapsible nature, the tub is surprisingly durable and sturdy when fully expanded, with no risk of collapsing or leaking. The tub is also easy to clean and simply you can wipe it down with a cloth, and again storage friendly because of its foldable nature. It comes with a price of 199 in Iina. So it's a practical solution if you are looking for a foldable and travel friendly washtub. You can go for it. Do like, comment and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.